In this video, we will see about question 4 of exercise 8.1, chapter 8, trigonometry. Question: given 15 cot A is equal to 8, then find sin A and secant A. Let us consider a right angle triangle ABC, right angled at B. Given 15 cot A is equal to 8. We can bring 15 to the opposite side. That gives cot A is equal to 8 by 15. We know cot A is equal to adjacent side by opposite side. That is, adjacent side is AB, that is 8 units. And the opposite side is BC, that is 15 units. Using Pythagoras theorem, AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. On substituting values, AC square is equal to AB square 8 square plus BC square 15 square. AC square is equal to 64 plus 225. AC square is equal to 289, which gives AC is equal to 17 units. Now let us find sin A. Sin A is opposite by hypotenuse. That is BC by AC, which is equal to 15 by 17. Then we have secant A. Secant A is hypotenuse by adjacent side. That is AC by AB, which is equal to 17 by 8. Thank you.